Grr. Say less.
Why not us?
Say less. That's solid.
Smells like some fresh wood in here. Leave us any beer. No Caparino. And there is some Shorts Brew in here, bro.
Yeah.
Look at these people. Look at these people. Wow. Oh, they got hella board games, but not the ones I brought, bitch.
They had like a ton of Cuban cigars in there. I think you said they were like $200 each or something like that. And then it's like,
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
There's another glass of big ass.
I think we'll get this one out. It's got a bathroom. Holy shit. Oh, wow. Fellas. Fellas. There he is.
let's go.
Yeah. Woo. Fuck me, daddy.
Fill my holes.
Where's my nipples?
Spank me. We're gonna clean the clubs tonight too. We're getting ready to go low.
I cleaned mine before I left. These things are shiny. Because I've just been chunking everything.
Get some ground.
Tomorrow, it's really bad. I'm chunking everything.
I think I'm gonna buy a polo tomorrow.
A what?
I'm gonna buy a polo at the course.
You got it, right?
We left you the king. The king bedroom's up there. You'll see it. Yup.
Oh, yeah.
How you get a little perp nap in?
Yeah. Just a little one.
Brendan didn't get bendy straws. I had literally 2 requests the whole weekend. This was one of them.
That's fucked up. It is fucked up.
You suck that down like a newborn. Nice.
Excuse me.
Chunking it right now, which is annoying, but like, I'm like, what?
So
What's going on? Yeah. Oh, actually, did we go with, me and my...
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see what that one says.
Put it on. Put it on. Turn it around. Yup. Everyone right in front of the camera. Can't wait to be at the casino yelling. Put it on black. Yeah, put it on my big head.
To the Cam Newton.
That bad boy on.
What do you know?
What do you know?
Oh shit, did you get it? Tomorrow I identify as a backpack because this boy's gonna be carrying me. How far do you drive it, son? 180.
Oh, I'm bleeding on the thumbs, baby. Are you? It happens though. I did that for you.
Thank you. I mean, we could have got a key from it. That was right on my face. Cheers.
I mean, that was cold.
Oh my god.
It was really cold. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Get up in there.
That was like an ice cream brain freeze right there.
Why not you though? Why not me?
This weekend's not about me. It's about you. Listen, the shirt doesn't say it. It's not about me. It's about us. Why not us?
Why not us? Why not us?
That was pretty good. What do you have to say about that?
Dan's still the worst golfer in the group.
He really is, though. What do you think he shoots tomorrow?
Sandy Creek, 105.
Well, we're scrambling, but personally, I'd probably go about 80, 82, 81 tomorrow.
82. I think he shoots a.
Absolute worst case, Eric and I go 3.
I think Dan shoots an 80. What did you
You want
say?
to bet that?
What did you say?
You want to bet that?
What did he say we shoot?
I said absolute worst case.
You want to bet that?
We go 3 over. How do you feel?
$100. Do it. How do you feel? He says.
I feel great.
$100. Do it.
We easily
50. 50.
easily shoot even
50,
par
you
tomorrow.
shoot 70. What's the par at the place?
I bet we shoot even.
Oh my God, 50?
Hmm?
50?
I just shook on it.
That we shoot 3 over. That's fine. I'll take 3 over. That's easy.
Get on the GoPro, bro. Right here.
Y'all see that?
Alex just told me he plays like shit.
Someone find. Something about this chair, bro. Does not feel right.
Go show the evidence.
How we doing, Dan?
Wait, Eric didn't throw up. Brennan didn't throw up.
Who threw up?
Well, I think no one's drinking more than me.
That's true. He's shotgunning like crazy.
Something about this chair is making me spin.
It's just dark as fuck, but there's a lot of throw up.
Something about this chair I'm spinning.
He's
man.
got drool.
It's the fire. You
Hey
love
Dan,
it.
tell us something. Tell us
I
something.
need a deep breath.
Damn, pull trig.
This is why we make the tea time at 1:10 p.m.
Just pull trig right in the pile, bro.
I got nothing else to pull.
Is that what tomorrow is? 110?
110?
110. So I get to sleep in. Wow.
I say get to
That's
sleep
dangerous.
in, get your rest.
That's also my partner though, so I need him to refresh.
Walking up the hill last night, I was looking at the house, just like waiting to see like a shadow. Yeah. This place is 100% haunted.
Can you say Peter Putter?
Peter Putter.
Thanks. Hey, can you say Peter Putter?
Peter putter, and if you don't make it with the Peter putter, you get your Peter taken off.
No more
Peter Deleter.
No.
The Peter deleter, that's what this is.
Hey, you say Peter Putter?
Peter Butter, Peter Butter, Peter Butter.
Peter Butter. Dick Putter. Yup, this bee's going low as hell today.
Yeah.
That's what this is.
Shooting 300.
Da-da-dum. We made it to the legend. We're about to kick their ass.
Yep. Alex bet me money last night.
Like
I said me and
no,
her go
3
on.
over. You said 3 over.
3. I said I feel fine with 3 because we're going under par.
There's no way. We shoot under easily.
We shoot under easy.
Par is like a bad day.
Alex is already nervous about skinny fairways just from driving past the
Look at that. All I see is trees for him.
All I see is open space.
Trees.
It's that peach.
Peach do be nice.
Sweet as ever. The crown rip. Yeah.
Hum nah, kid. Hum nah.
There he is. There he is.
Alright, that got that's so soon.
Simple.
Let's go.
Simple.
You know how to put it. Here we go. Just set the thing down.
Do it.
It's down in the middle of the fairway. Unreal.
Fight.
Mud ball!
He's just taking pops over.
Oh my gosh.
It's up in the air.
Nice drive. Beautiful. Holy shit.
Came to golf. We came to golf today.
Oh, daddy.
Yes, hello. Hey guys, you can actually drive this hole and not be scared.
I'm scared of everything to the left and right.
Everything is tight. I think I didn't run him over.
I know.
Why not us? What's going on?
the big hill.
Stairs. I wish I could kick this thing in neutral. We would be flying.
He's gonna go penis putter. Keep the lead.
Put it in. Ah. Down what? We're down 1 through 9? And you know what?
That's honestly just a gimme at this point.
I think down 1 is basically even. That means nothing to us.
We were favored by 1 regardless.
You can get
so.
4 strokes. You can get 4 strokes in a single
We
hole.
lost by 5 last time we played.
You said you couldn't hit a ball straight.
You're gonna bring up like a year and a half ago.
Yeah. Alex is out here hustling us. He goes, I can get a ball.
How we feeling post mid-round?
Simple. Just playing with him.
Yeah. It's really simple. The message from Kyle is really simple.
I think the message every time we come out here is I'm the narrative, and I might be him.
I'm gonna get them a little bit. Mid-round update. Mid-round update. How we feeling? Mid-round update. How's it going?
Great.
Fucking
Great.
phenomenal, boys.
Let's get a shooter out before I leave.
I'm on my like 8th shooter, so
Yeah, let's get one going. Me and you.
We got a nail biter right now.
Yeah, me and Kyle are one up.
Cheers.
And that one stroke is that fucking pebble I hit.
Can I see that when you're done?
Garbage. Garbage.
Kyle.
Get along.
I'm in there.
Eric's got the fucking.
Wait. Oh, I wasn't waiting for Mike. You're gonna have to do another one.
He's coming.
B says fuck him. Just fuck Mike.
He's dope.
Mike, you want a shooter?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, get Mike in here.
Yeah, Mike.
Disrespectful.
Pink witter.
No, B's gonna have to do another one. This is the difference maker. That's the difference.
This is how you push.
That's it. This is it. That's the difference maker.
Let's go, boys.
Dog at the turn. Dog.
Dog to save the day.
Dog saves it.
340 right here.
340.
Kyle.
Crossed path.
Kyle.
You go straight.
Kyle's like, Jesus, that flew that
Kyle.
yardage stick by a Kyle. It ain't nothing to him.
It's money.
All right, so now we're gonna go from Alex's drive, and we're gonna drive for a while.
And we're gonna go to ours.
We're gonna keep driving.
Keep driving.
You're gonna watch them get smaller and smaller behind us.
And then look, there's one ball in.
And then there's a drive. And there's another drive.
And this is the farthest drive of the day, folks.
That says fuck Kyle.
I was doing it.
Peanut butter.
Oh my god.
Is it going left, Eric?
Too much dick in it. It goes that way.
You guys have a chance of winning this if you hit this. It's really simple. It's not a hard sport. What do you think, he? Think he pops?
All I gotta say is
None of us have hit a green in regulation.
Is there a zoom feature? No.
None of us have hit
on the hole, and that's where you'll find
There
it.
hasn't been a green in regulation from any of us through 2 par 3s.
It's tough. And I'm not on, so.
And you're not on, so that takes out one of us.
And
Sure thing.
It might be in.
sit.
Green and rag. Middle of the green. Aim for it.
That's all we're aiming for.
There you go.
Textbook.
Easy.
somebody.
Holy shit, someone hit a green. How's it feel, throw a dart?
You know, we gotta get up. We're up right now, but we gotta go 2 up. I'd
Darts
be
don't,
comfortable at 2. One makes
One
me
makes you nervous.
darts
The
don't matter.
birdie, bogey,
You know we're
just
scrappy. You know
Yeah,
Darts don't
just
matter if you don't make the
scrappy.
putt.
feel
we
like
are.
wow, Eric. What a dagger. The dagger. I mean, unbelievable. Just the putts.
Came through it.
Dan just came
That was
through
a
at the
great
end.
ass match. Wow. That's all I want. God darn. Took it from us on like 50.
Wow, we pulled it out. And that's a birdie. So we shot 3 over.
We did.
We shot 3 over.
Easy. Someone's got to be on one knee with the peanut butter. I think we should both be grabbing it at least. Oh my god. And then I'm just taking a video, but like.
All right, smile now.
Yep.
Dan, you should bend over on the putter.
Freeze frame.
He did it.
What do you have to say?
I got too drunk.
I'm ready to take a nap and eat some mac and cheese.
And,
You know?
food time.